hearty welcome to today's chemistry session. Today in this session we will have the topic extraction of zinc from zinc blende. Zinc is not found in free state in nature. It's mainly found in combined form. The principal ores of zinc are zinc blende, that is the sulfide ore of zinc, that is ZnS. The chemical formula is ZnS. Then calamine. Calamine is the carbonate ore of zinc. That is, the chemical formula is ZnCO3. Now, zincite. Zincite is the oxide ore of zinc and the chemical formula is ZnO. As you know, in any of the metallurgical processes or any of the processes that is including this extraction of metal is having commonly 4 steps. The first step is the concentration of the ore. By selecting a suitable concentration method, first we will concentrate the powdered ore. And then the next step is the concentrated ore is changed into its oxide form or is converted into its oxide form, either by roasting or by calcination. And then this oxide form of the metal is reduced, that is the third step. The metal oxide is reduced to form crude metal. And the fourth step is the purification of the formed crude metal. So here in the extraction process of zinc also will follow the same steps. And here, so the first step is concentration of zinc blende ore. So this powdered or crushed zinc blende ore is subjected to concentration. First we have to choose a suitable concentration method. By looking into the formula, you know that it is a sulfide ore. So you can choose. For a sulfide ore, the best concentration method is froth flotation method. So by submitting or subjecting this zinc blende ore for froth flotation process, we get the concentrated ore of zinc blende. Now moving to the next step or the second step, the roasting of the concentrated zinc blende ore. So this concentrated zinc blende ore we will take and submit for or subject for roasting. Roasting is the process in which the concentrated ore is heated strongly but below its melting point so that it will not be melted. So it is heated strongly in sufficient supply of air. So this air is acting as a source of oxygen here. So here an oxidation occurs, you know. So during the process of roasting, the concentrated ore is changed into corresponding metal oxide. You can see the reaction here. Zinc sulfide, zinc blende is reacting with oxygen that is present in the air at around 900 degrees Celsius to form zinc oxide, oxide form of zinc. So it is the metal oxide that is formed. It is zinc oxide is formed along with as a side product sulfur dioxide gas. Once zinc metal or the metal oxide, once zinc oxide or the metal oxide is formed, next step is reduction of metal oxide into the metal. So we will reduce zinc oxide into zinc metal. So how we reduce? We will mix zinc oxide that is formed by roasting with coke and distill in a retort at around 673 Kelvin. Here reduction occurs. You know that whenever a compound undergo reduction, the oxygen from it will be taken away. So here carbon or coke will act as the reducing agent. So zinc oxide, the metal oxide will be reduced to zinc. And the zinc that is formed here is crude zinc. That should be purified. So next step is purification of zinc or refining of zinc. In refining of zinc, the best method which we can choose is the process of electrolysis that we have already explained in the previous sessions. During electrolysis, the impure zinc will be taken at anode and cathode will be made of a fine strip of zinc. And the soluble salt of the same metal will be used as the electrolyte. When the electricity passes, this pure zinc will be deposited on the cathode and the cathode bulges out. And the anode will be slowly losing its weight and the anode mud or the impurities or unwanted materials that is present along with this impure zinc will be deposited as anode mud or anode sludge. So you will get the refined pure zinc. So this is all about extraction of zinc from zinc blende, that is zinc sulfide, ZnS. So this is the end of our session today. Thank you very much. See you again.